Before I start this video, I just wanted to explain quickly why I was putting a tray on it in the first place. I wasn't actually planning on putting a tray on my ute until one of my tyres exploded on the freeway out of nowhere. It completely destroyed the tub, as you can see.
It felt like the whole wheel came off.
I'm like shaking while I'm trying to film. And just because it was unroadworthy and I couldn't really drive it around, my friend gave me this tray that I could use. I just went with that idea and decided to do a build series. First thing I had to do was take the mud tyres off and swap them back out for the stock tyres. I just finished work and it's 6 o'clock, so I've got like 10 minutes till it gets dark. We'll see how much I get done. I just finished pulling off the tailgate, tail lights, the fuel filler cap and hose, and I just tape them up so that not too much stuff can get in there. So last night I got a mate around. We ended up getting the tub off, and then I started mounting up the rails for the tray already. I've got 2 on, bolted on loosely, and then the third one doesn't quite line up, so I've just marked where I'm going to drill out here and here, bolt that one up, and then we can pretty much start slapping on the tray, see if it fits, and then yeah, start customizing it from there. Then me and my girlfriend tried to lift the tray on by ourselves, and that was a bit of a struggle, but we got there. I'll do most of it. Yep. Alright, we've got the tray placed on there. I need to undo these 2 and re-drill this for the mount so that can sit down further. And then all of these ones just need to be drilled out. My friends, shut up, faggot. Pay me out. Alright, now that can drop down. All I need to do now is drill that out so that it bolts down there. That'll sit on that. That's sitting on that one. This one will actually line up with the hole that's already there, so that's awesome. All I have to do is chuck a bolt through there. That's how it sits at the moment, all bolted up. It's just very long, so I need to cut off at least. I'm just going to take off 2 slats, see how that looks, and then cut it down from there. All shortened up. Thanks for watching, guys. This is what it looks like at the moment. It's still a work in progress, but this is just part one. The next video, which I'm doing tomorrow, is putting a ball bar on, and then the third video will be wheels and tyres once I finally get new tyres put on next week or something.